On every production, there are two stories being told. The one you see on screen,
Move men's and women's to the back?
and the one behind the scenes. Before the first action, even before sets are built, Hanwha Vision is already here, with AI-enabled cameras at every angle for full coverage. That empty soundstage? Now it's living data, powered by the most advanced vision hardware and software. Hanwha Vision automatically detects and classifies people entering the space, keeping track of ins and outs in real time, making it easy to find specific individuals. As crew and cast make movie magic, intelligence adapts in motion to make its own kind of magic, tracking movement to uncover any bottlenecks and help the set run smoothly. Hanwha Vision keeps an eye on where equipment is and isn't supposed to be, sounding the alarm when something is out of place. No blind spots, no interruptions, just smooth, safe filmmaking. Hanwha Vision's AI analyzes multiple feeds at once to detect when something's not quite right, alerting you to take action the moment an accident happens. But not everyone wants their big screen debut. Good thing we can choose which areas are off limits with customizable privacy settings.
Wait, can it really do all this?
Yeah, and when the day wraps,
Amanda, thank you very much.
intelligence wraps too. Summarizing the entire shoot, seeing patterns, mitigating risk, and finding new efficiencies. Turning days of footage into sharp, actionable insights. From the first set to final load, Hanwha Vision protects every moment you never see, so the ones you do see
You do now.
go off without a hitch.
Nothing goes missed.
Because a real Hollywood ending starts with proactive vision intelligence.